elder brother.
You be elder brother? Yeah. I want to say you be junior brother. Hey, if I hold on.
What's that happen now?
Your father.
It's made they run like this now. See how they make us they run.
You no gonna
just tie yourself. Talk now, it's that happen now.
Me my brother for Lagos. We make agreement say we go take 15 naira for solid market. So now me I don't run go down. I don't know say you don't reach for that side. So now I collect the money. Say now I know it I want to get it. Now make me run now for reach side now. Wait. So me no vex.
Oh yeah, no wait now. Now you and your brother. Wait. You and your brother.
Yeah, thanks for watching Craft Comics Comedies. We love you. Visit us on YouTube, Craft Comics, Facebook, Craft Comics. Bless you. Love you. If you want to join us, our numbers are there. Get in touch with us. Love you. I'm Rishi Blaze, the Bayelsa Pride.